Hi, everybody. Welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful break. I am so excited to be back with you guys. I hope your Thanksgiving was fantastic, and I hope you ate lots of good food. Um, I am here recording at home, as you can see, with my lovely Christmas tree in the back, just to get a head start on some of these videos. And I really enjoyed reading about what you guys are thankful for. A lot of you said you're thankful for your teachers. I am thankful for you too, because without you, I wouldn't have anybody to teach. So, really thankful for you guys. Today we are going to be we're going to continue learning about biographies. So before the break, we talked about biographies, and today for the next 2 days, we will be continuing with that and then moving on to poetry. So let's get into our riddle. Today's riddle is, well, actually, before today's riddle, last Thursday's riddle was, you'll find me in Mercury, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter, but not in Venus or Neptune. What am I? And the answer to that riddle is the letter R. Today's riddle is, why did the invisible man turn down a job offer? Let me know on the next slide.